Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today we are going to make a grilled veggie sandwich. I'm going to use homemade hummus, fresh mushrooms, spinach, tomatoes, onions, pickled peppers, and avocado. I am buttering the outer side of the bread, the side that will be in contact with the grill. This is completely optional. I'm using my homemade vegan butter. I've made a video on how to make this. I'll link it below. And voila! Great paired with homemade kale chips. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And join me on this journey building a high plant-based meal repertoire.